Founded in 1972, LegalShield has built and successfully maintains the only proprietary nationwide network of provider law firms. Our company was founded on the basis that everyone should have equal and affordable access to legal care, no matter how traumatic or trivial the situation. LegalShield plan participant will have direct access to a dedicated provider firm based on their state. Our network consists of provider law firms in all 50 states, with provider attorneys who have backgrounds in various legal matters. Our provider attorneys have an average of 22 years of experience, and our provider firms have an average firm tenure of 21 years with LegalShield. We pay our provider law firms in advance on a per capita basis, ensuring plan participants are a top priority. LegalShield's provider law firms are held to high service standards. Participants can expect to receive a callback from a provider attorney within 4 business hours or less.
The key to being a good lawyer is basically being able to get with your client, to be able to help your client. If you have to play phone tag with them because you can't reach them, or they feel like you're unavailable because they have to go through some sort of complicated old type of system where they made phone calls, or they waited for you to have an appointment to come in your office, then it just exacerbates the whole legal problem that they're involved in.
Plan participants call their dedicated provider law firm directly. There is no call center or waiting period to use services. 100% of all legal matters are handled in-network, so there are never any claim forms. After they receive service for a legal matter, plan participants receive a satisfaction survey. Our exceptional quality control team also provides daily monitoring of service. Taking the non-traditional approach, we put the participant first and make using our legal plan easy and hassle-free. With LegalShield's mobile app, plan participants can contact their provider law firm at the tap of a button. They can also upload legal documents and speeding tickets for legal review. Our LegalShield legal plans provide personal legal advice and consultation on a wide range of personal legal matters, traffic violations, adoption, contract and other personal legal document reviews, and much more, all for an affordable rate. We also provide 24/7 emergency access for covered legal emergency situations. We work to provide equal access to the liberty, equality, opportunity, and justice that every human deserves. Our legal services protect, empower, and allow every plan participant to live more and worry less.
I think that what makes LegalShield different than other carriers in plan is the quality of our service. Throughout the nation, all our provider firms really give our members white glove service. We really care about the members, we care about their issues, we really try to find solutions, and a lot of our provider attorneys really go above and beyond for our members, and we get some real results for them.